Under the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, 2023, police are given certain powers to arrest without warrant and to execute warrants even outside their jurisdiction, but such powers are regulated to prevent misuse. 1. When can a police officer arrest without warrant? A police officer may arrest a person without warrant in the following situations. A. In case of cognizable offense. If a person has committed, is committing, or is suspected of committing a cognizable offense. Example, murder, theft. B. Reasonable complaint or suspicion. If there is credible information or reasonable suspicion against a person. C. To prevent further offense. When arrest is necessary to prevent further crime. D. For proper investigation. To ensure proper investigation or to prevent destruction of evidence. E. Habitual offender. A person who is a habitual criminal can be arrested without warrant. F. Proclaimed offender. If a person has been declared a proclaimed offender by a court. G. Possession of stolen property. If a person is found with stolen property and is suspected of offense. H. Obstructing police. If a person obstructs a police officer in discharge of duty. I. Desertion from armed forces. A deserter from armed forces may be arrested. J. Violation of lawful orders. If a person disobeys lawful orders of a public servant. Important safeguards. Arrest must be necessary and justified. Police must record reasons for arrest. In offences punishable up to 7 years, notice of appearance may be given instead of arrest. 2. Execution of warrant outside local jurisdiction. When a warrant is to be executed outside the jurisdiction of the issuing court, the following procedure is followed. A. Direct execution. A police officer can execute the warrant anywhere in India. B. Endorsement by local authority. Normally, the warrant should be endorsed by a magistrate or police officer of the local area. C. Taking accused before local magistrate. After arrest, the accused must be taken before the nearest magistrate in that area. D. Verification of identity. The local magistrate verifies identity of the accused. Validity of warrant. E. Transit and transfer. After verification, the accused is sent to the court that issued the warrant. F. Exception, urgent cases. In urgent situations, police may execute warrant directly without endorsement, but must follow legal safeguards. 3 key points, exam focus. Arrest without warrant is mainly allowed in cognizable offences. Power must be used carefully and reasonably. Warrants can be executed throughout India. Judicial supervision ensures protection of rights. Case study, simple example. Case, a person, A, commits theft in Jaipur and runs to Delhi. Police can arrest A without warrant, cognizable offense. If court issues warrant, Delhi police can execute it. After arrest, A is produced before nearest magistrate in Delhi. Then A is sent to Jaipur court. Learning, police power extends beyond local limits but is controlled by legal procedure. Conclusion. The BNSS provides police with necessary powers for effective law enforcement, but also ensures checks and safeguards to protect individuals from misuse of power.